Hello guys, this is Copiers Connect where tech meets precision. If you are watching this video for the very first time, kindly hit the subscribe button for more educational videos. Today we'll be treating a problem reported by a user where Sharp BP-20M22 Printer is having a black stains on the print. The Sharp BP-20M22 printer having black stains on the printer. So quickly, I'll be making a print now to see the printout. Now you can see the top and the bottom of the paper, they are completely black. The top and the bottom are completely filled with black stains. You can see the printout on the screen. Top and bottom are completely black. Now how do we solve this? First of all, you open up the front panel, remove the toner cartridge, remove the developer connector. I'll be losing the developer tank now, but before then, open the bypass tray by the right hand side and open the right side cover. I'll be losing the developer tank now. Remember, this is Copiers Connect where tech meets precision. So this is the developer tank has been removed. Next, I'll remove the drum unit. So you pull and you bring out the drum unit. Now, remember the issue, black stains on paper. Whenever you observe your Sharp printer and there are black stains on the paper, all you need to do is to service the drum unit, and that's what we'll be doing now. We'll be doing a thorough holistic service on the drum unit, and the likelihood of these stains definitely will be the cleaning blade. So keep watching as we'll progress with the servicing. So I'll be losing the drum unit now. You can see from the screen I'll be losing the drum unit. If you have watched to this extent, kindly hit the like button and notification bell for more educational video. Also subscribe to Copiers Connect for more engaging and educational video. So quickly I've lost that. I'll be removing the charger. Now you can see what is being held there. That is called the charger. That's called the charger. Next, I'll be losing the cleaning blade. So I'll remove the screws now. Great. So that's the cleaning blade there. The cleaning blade. Next, I'm going to remove the drum. Remember, we are servicing the drum unit. And the model of this printer is Sharp BP-20M22. So I'll be removing the drum. Now, for you to remove the drum, by the side, there is a little lock. You need to be very careful when removing that. You need to pull that up. You put your hand under and pull it up. That's a drum lock. So you pull it off. Beautiful. Now that is the drum. The drum is sensitive to light. So what I'll do, I'll take that drum now and use a paper to cover it because it's photosensitive. This is the drum casing. You can see the waste toners and everything there. I'm going to now do a thorough cleanup. You can use your brush to ensure you clean up the drum container. You clean up everything and ensure that it's neat. If you have an electric blower, you can blow up this unit and ensure that everything is properly neat, and that is what I'm currently doing. Now that's the cleaning blade. You see how dirty it is. That's the charger. I'll ensure I clean everything and make sure that they are properly set. That's a cleaning blade. Now most time if you experience this problem on emergency, you can clean the blade and wash the blade. If the blade uh, is not yet so weak, you can reuse. But however, I recommend you getting a new sharp blade kit. Now that's the cleaning blade there. So you can see the drum tank. You can see how neat it is. You see the roller. I've carefully blown off all the dirt and soot that was there. You can see the cleaning blade. Now you can decide to wash the cleaning blade, which I've done, and reuse in situations where you don't have any cleaning blade in store, or you can get a brand new cleaning blade, and you replace that to ensure that the problem will be properly sorted out. Now that's the charger is has been cleaned of all stains. That's the cleaning blade. So next I'll be coupling everything at the moment, so stay tuned. Keep watching as I couple the drum unit back. Remember to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell for more educational videos on printer repairs. Also, don't forget to drop your questions and comments in the comment section. At Copiers Connect, we'll respond to all your questions and queries to give you the best. So you can see there I've coupled the cleaning blade as well as the charger. I'll be fixing the drum now. So I'll go get the drum. Remember I told you the drum is photosensitive. Now when removing the drum, always cover it with a dark or white paper. So I'll fix the drum. The drum lock is there. I'll put the drum and I'll push that knob backward to ensure it is fully locked. Beautiful. So ensure you fix that properly. There's a screw there. You put on the screw. Okay, so the drum unit has been coupled. The next thing, we'll fix it in the machine. So you see how to fix the drum unit. Remember, before fixing the drum unit, you open your right side door before putting the drum unit. Now this is the developer tank we are fixing there. Ensure it is well aligned. I'll fix it and put on the clip. The clip button is there. Then I'm going to screw it to ensure it is properly locked. Next, I'll get the toner cartridge and I'll fix it where it ought to be. So I'll close my right side door now. Ensure it's properly closed. You close the bypass tray. Then you can turn on the printer. Now you can see from the screen it says close the cover. So I'll close the front cover, which I've done now. The printer is warming up and you can see the message, please wait. Beautiful, is ready to copy. So we want to make a copy now to ensure that those stains on the paper have been fully removed. So I'm making a print now. So you can see the printout is there, all cleaned, beautiful printout. Beautiful printer. Now when you are faced with stains on paper, all you need to do is to service the drum unit. And the model of this printer, as you can see, is Sharp BP-20M22. If you have watched to this extent, thanks for watching. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more engaging video. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.